Unveiling the Blueprint, Mastering its Meanings in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to unravel the meanings behind the phrase, blueprint. Whether you've come across it in a book or heard it in a conversation, understanding this phrase will definitely add value to your English vocabulary. So, let's dive into the world of blueprints and discover its various applications in the English language. Let's begin with a bit of history. The term blueprint originally referred to technical drawings. These were detailed plans used by architects and engineers, characterized by white lines on a blue background, hence the name. These drawings were essential for constructing buildings and machinery with precision. Today, though, the term has broadened in scope, and that's what we'll explore next. Beyond its literal sense, blueprint is widely used as a metaphor. When someone says, "This is the blueprint for success," they're talking about a detailed plan or guide that, if followed, could lead to a desired outcome. It implies there's a clear, structured way to achieve something. This metaphorical use can apply to anything from business strategies to personal development plans. You might hear blueprint in various contexts. In business, our company's blueprint for growth includes expanding into new markets. In personal planning, he followed a strict blueprint to achieve his fitness goals. In education, the curriculum provides a blueprint for what students need to learn by the end of the year. Recognizing and understanding these applications will help you grasp the nuances of conversations and texts. Be careful not to confuse blueprint with similar sounding terms that have different meanings, like blue book or blue plate. Remember, a blueprint is always a plan or guide. Also, it's not to be used for describing color schemes. It's not about something being colored blue. And there you have it. You now understand the meaning of blueprint in its literal and metaphorical senses, and you can recognize how it's used in various contexts. We hope this video has been an informative addition to your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using blueprint with the confidence of a native speaker. Until our next lesson, happy learning!